Let's learn how to set up VPN connection in Windows 11. It is very easy and straightforward process. You can even add it by yourself. In Windows 11 laptop or desktop. If you want to do that, let's go to settings. At your left hand side, you will see network and internet. So click on that. Network and internet. You see a VPN over here. You see VPN, add, connect, or manage. You click on that. At the top right corner, you see add VPN. So click on add VPN. So in this case, you need to provide VPN details in the VPN provider. You see the connection name, you have a server name, and you need to fill all these things. VPN username and password. You see? So it's very simple, you see? That is it. That is all about this. When you are done, you click on save. Very simple and straightforward. If you found this video very useful, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share. God bless you so much. Bye bye.